So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further, and then this tray section will lift to give you even more space again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total mass of the car there, 38,540. You can change the information displayed above that. For example, we have a digital readout for the speedometer, and then various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information. We have an audio, telephone, vehicle status, and back around to the beginning again. And you can access all of those menus using the buttons just here. We have stereo controls over that side, which continue on the left-hand side with cruise control, which is just here. In the center, you'll then find the main screen for the car. But firstly, above that, we can turn our parking sensors on and off, our hazard warning lights, heated rear screen, and this is for the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. That system is off when you press that button and the orange light shows. Otherwise, it's on every single time you start up the car. When it comes to our music, we have got the radio, of course, and you can see there we have DAB, FM and AM radio available. If you press the media button, you'll be able to listen to your own music. Plenty of options there, including Bluetooth audio. So not only can you make and receive phone calls, you'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly as well. Once you've paired your phone, which is done by hitting the phone button and following those instructions on screen. Below that, we have the air conditioning for the car. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning off in this case, or back on again. You can recirculate your air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly in here, depending on the temperature you set just there. Beneath that, we have our auxiliary input, USB input, and a 12-volt charging socket, so you can listen to your own music by plugging in your devices just here and selecting media up on the main screen. We've got a couple of cup holders and a 5-speed manual gearbox as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.